What if we told you? There's a world of bees with no sting, but with the power to change everything? Kera Herb traveled to Kolhapur to unlock that world.
I'm Dr. Sunita Patil and he's Dr. Sachin Patil.
Hosted by the wonderful Sunita and Sachin Patil at Farm O Club, this was no ordinary workshop. We began with something simple yet special, a honeybee hand drawing to welcome each guest. A small touch, but it set the tone for something truly memorable. Inside, minds opened. We dive deep into the secrets of stingless bees, their role, their power, their future. And then, we stepped out. The moment everyone was waiting for. Live hive exploration, up close, raw, real. Kolhapur, you didn't just attend a workshop, you became part of a movement.